Aloha, here's your daily brief on my C8 Corvette bread rack build. Today I got literally shut down because both Lowe's and Home Depot are out of 1.5 inch angle aluminum. But I did make my spacers out of 3/4 inch flat aluminum. I have a scrap piece of 1.5 inch aluminum. I know that I need 3 inches of clearance, so that's 3 inches. Any excess aluminum I'll cut off with my jig saw. Let me put this in the car and show you the clearance. Okay, you can see the clearance there under the weather strip. Here are the spacers. They turned out to be 4.5 inches with some really weird angles that are on the image for the video. You can see I've got my 3 inches of clearance there. Unfortunately, I just had a scrap piece of metal. I need a 6-foot or an 8-foot piece of 1.5 inch aluminum to complete it. So hopefully they'll have that tomorrow. But that's my daily update on my C8 Corvette bread rack build. Aloha and stay safe.